In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the margins in your Word document, ensuring that you have the perfect layout for your content. Whether you're preparing a formal report, an essay, or simply formatting a creative piece, getting your margins just right can make a huge difference in the presentation and readability of your document. Let's start by opening up your document. Once you've done that, navigate to the top of your screen to find the ribbon, which is the toolbar that runs across the top. Look for the tab labeled Layout. It's here that you'll find all the tools you need for setting up your page perfectly. With the Layout tab open, turn your attention to the Page Setup group. This is where you'll find an option simply labeled Margins. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking Margins will present you with a handy drop-down menu displaying several predefined margin settings. These include options like Normal, Narrow, and Moderate. If one of these predetermined settings meets your requirements, you're all set to go. Just click on it, and your document will automatically update to reflect this choice. However, suppose none of these settings match what you need. In that case, there's no need to worry. You can easily set a custom margin size by selecting Custom Margins at the very bottom of this menu. This will open up the Page Setup dialog box. In the Page Setup dialog box, make sure you're on the Margins tab. This is where you can manually enter your desired measurements for each side of your document. You'll see fields for top, bottom, left, and right. Simply click into each of these boxes and fill in the numbers that suit your project. If you're working on a document that will be bound, you might also notice options for gutter, inside, and outside margins. These are particularly useful for books or booklets, where additional space is needed for the binding. Once your values are entered, take a look for an option labeled Apply To if it appears available to you. This drop-down allows you to specify whether your new margins should apply to the entire document or just the current section. It's a helpful feature if you're dealing with different parts of a document that need distinct formatting. Finally, once everything looks good and you're satisfied with your custom settings, just hit OK. Your document's margins will adjust immediately, giving your content the precise space it needs. And that's it. You've successfully updated the margins in your Word document, enhancing its layout and overall appearance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your future document formatting needs.